can see for these cables, these wires, we have these ports. This is a loudspeaker port, and this is microphone port, which can be used for two-way communication. And this is RS232, which actually can be used to connect our FID card reader, which will help you for driver identification and also vehicle control. And it has 3 digital inputs, 2 digital outputs, or 1 analog input, which can be used for different kinds of sensors like temperature sensor, fuel sensor, different kinds of sensors. And also it has 1 wire. 1 wire can be also used for I button, which is used for driver identification, and also it supports up to 8 temperature sensors. You can see that it has actually more functions which are very, very important